And I'm not sitting here trying to endorse divorce or encourage divorce. What I am saying is Allah didn't condemn this institution. Why? Because it's a very human institution. There's a long discussion on divorce in Surah Al-Baqarah, several pages, and there's an entire surah dedicated to divorce called Surah Al-Talaq, among other places. And you'll find Allah is actually very compassionate about two people coming together with good intention to start a family, to live together in harmony, and not because one person was toxic or narcissistic or abusive or a devil. Sometimes two people just don't work. It's life. It happens. And when that happens, it's not till death do us part. It's not a humiliation on the family. It's not the end of the world. In fact, the Quran says something you might find so liberal nowadays. وَإِن يَتَفَرَّقَا يُغْنِ اللَّهُ كُلًّا مِنْ سَعَتِهِ in Surah Al-Talaq. He says if they both part ways, Allah will give each of them vastness. Allah will give them each independence out of His own vastness.